Have you ever felt the weight of your bank balance pulling at your peace of mind? Financial anxiety isn't just about numbers, it's about survival. Meet David and Sarah. They both just received a notification no one wants to see: low balance. Their reactions, however, are worlds apart. David is a freezer. He retreats to his dark apartment, staring at his laptop in a state of analytical paralysis, unable to make a move. Sarah is a spender. In response to the same stress, she seeks immediate comfort. She finds herself in a warm cafe, ordering an expensive latte. The freezer risks a massive binge later, while the spender suffers from micro-leaks. Both are trying to escape the same underlying panic. Late at night, Sarah scrolls through shopping apps. The stress of her larger debts feels unsolvable, so her brain seeks a smaller, easier victory. Behind her looms a shadowy figure representing her mounting debt. It's a weight she can't lift, so she clicks buy now on a scented candle. That click provides emotional anesthesia. For a moment, the amber glow of the screen feels like safety. She feels in control, if only briefly. But as the calendar flips to the end of the month, the anesthesia wears off. The cold blue light of reality returns to her kitchen. She opens her statement. An army of small numbers, 300, 800, 1500, scrolls past. Each one represents a tiny leak in her financial ship. Suddenly, a large utility bill arrives. The screen flashes red. Those comfort items, like her new pillows, now feel heavy and dull. To fix this, we must understand the brain. Comfort spending isn't greed, it's a survival mechanism. Your brain is trying to escape ambient panic. By stripping away the shame, we can see the system. Instead of fighting your nature, we're going to build a stress fund to manage it. The stress fund is a specific bucket of money. You allocate a safe amount, say 3,000 rupees, specifically for treat yourself moments. Now when Sarah goes to the cafe, she uses the stress fund. Her main savings remain untouched. The relief is real, and the leak is plugged. David and Sarah are now taking back leverage. They walk with confidence, knowing they have a system that respects their psychological needs. Financial freedom isn't about perfect discipline, it's about compassion plus a system. Start your stress fund today and breathe again. When you protect your peace, you protect your future. Heal the anxiety, build the system, and reclaim your life.